Hello everyone, in today's lesson we will be going through how to convert mixed number fractions to improper fractions. In this example over here, you have 1.5 is equal to 3/2. 1.5 is an example of mixed number fractions because you've got a number at the front and a fraction together. Then you've got 3/2 is your improper fraction because 3, the numerator, is larger than your denominator, which is 2. All right, so I'm going to give you a few examples and I'm going to show you how to do those exactly step by step. Let's get started. So over here you got 1.5, which is exactly the same as the example in the front on the front page. Now what you do is you multiply the denominator by the number over here. So you do 1 times 2, then you would add this numerator of the fraction on top of this, right? And the denominator of that fraction stays the same. So you will have 2 times 1 would be 2. Then you write plus 1. We're not going to do anything just yet. Then you're going to add 2 and 1 for your numerator. And there you have it. 3/2 is your answer. This is equivalent to 1.5. All right. Let's try this one. 2 times 4. We're going to do that first. As you can see, I am putting these two numbers because I'm multiplying them together. I'm putting them in the brackets to make it nice and neat. Then the denominator stays the same. 2 times 4 is 8. Then plus 1 divided by 4. Now, 8 plus 1 would be 9. And 9/4 would be equivalent to 2.25. Now, for this one, I'm going to go through this. You're going to have to do the number multiplied by the denominator, then plus the numerator, then leave the denominator as the same. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, right? As you can see, I can just add 4 plus 1 and write 5 over here, but I'm not skipping the step because I've just learned this and I don't want you to get confused and miss out on any numbers. So please write this step in all your questions. 5/2 would be equivalent to 2.5. Then you've got 4 times 5 plus 4 divided by 5. 4 times 4 is 20. Then 20 plus 4 is over here. So your equivalent improper fraction is 24/5. And then over here you've got 2 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3 equals to 6 plus 2 divided by 3. And that would give you 8/3. Now, the next one, right? At this point, what I want you to do is pause the video, right? Copy these questions and rewatch them if you don't understand them just yet, right? Then I want you to do all of these questions on your own, independently, and just to practice. Then play the video. I will be going through them so that you are just to check if you understand them or not. Right. So it will be 2 times 3 plus 1. Divided by 3. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, and you get 7/3. Now, for this one is 1 times 3 plus 1. Then 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 divided by 3. That would be 4/3. Right? 2 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4, you get 8 plus 1 divided by 4 would give you 9/4, right? Sometimes I say over and sometimes I say divided by, right? It is just saying that this number is being divided by 4 or 9/4, which is exactly the same. I'm just trying to give you more, how to say these things properly. Right, so this one, 4 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3, and that would be 12 plus 2/3, which would give you 14/3. And the last one, but not the least, 3 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3, which would give you 9 plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 11/3. And there you have it. Thanks for listening, guys.